Are you recently graduated or are you in a final year and you are looking for a job in a multinational company? So I have one solution for you. So that will provide you 100% job guarantee. Yes, that's correct. So the option is Function App. So this is a placement and bootcamp organization, so which will provide you all these with zero fees. Yes, you are listening correct. So the fees will be the zero for entire training and placement. So and you have to pay only 17% of your monthly salary if you are placed in any of the company for 36 months. There is a scholarship of 50% for female candidate. So training will be the free, placement will be free, so you have to pay only after getting your first salary. So this is very reliable organization, Function Up. So many of the students like you have graduated and taken the course from here and they are now placed, and 50% scholarship for the female candidate. Even if you are working in any organization and if you want to upgrade yourself and want to take a higher paying jobs, then this option is also beneficial for you. So no, see these are the company wherein the students after getting enrollment here and got placed. See the name of the all big companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Miso, Myntra, Adobe, Oracle, Paytm, Microsoft, and there are a lot more companies. So this is a big opportunity, and the best part is that you don't have to pay any amount for training and placements. So there are some key areas like there will be a live doubt session where you can clear your doubts, and you have to pay only after getting a job, and that also of 5 lakhs. And if you don't have any prior coding knowledge, that's also fine. So here they will train you and they will provide you placement, and if you work hard then definitely you will get placement in very soon, very short span of time. So let's now see the courses what they are offering. So there are some mandatory skills that they will teach you definitely for sure, that comes like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, data structure and algorithm. So these are the main stream languages so that you must know, like data structure and algorithm are the hot demanding. And apart from these there are two streams like backend and frontend, that depend upon you where you want to go. If you want to go for backend, then Node.js, MongoDB, REST APIs, microservices, and for front end there are other React.js and Hadoop and lot more. And also there will be a soft skill session, so that will be for your personal improvement. See, like for back end and front end there will be two streams, and there is a 8-week course that is all separated. There will be a live demo, there will be a live coding sessions, live project you will get chance to work on. You will get to learn about the live project, how the project and codings are there in live sessions. See, talking about the daily session, so there will be a 9 hours dedicated for web development on daily basis, 2-3 hours for theory, concept, practical. So there will be a lot more. See, these are the industry experts, they are placed from Function Up, Goldsman, MongoDB, American Express, so there are so many. There is big list, so that I will give you a list and all the details in description. And now see the comparison of online courses, other online courses, and if you take a degree of computer science, that will be for 4 years and 5 to 10 lakh. But for Function Up it's only 4 months and you don't have to pay a single penny. See how much this is beneficial. So students like you is very good opportunity. Go ahead and grab. So new batch is starting from 20th March 2023. So just in the front application form, just enter your name, mobile number, OTP, and backend team will call you for further assistance. So best of luck, guys. So wish you best of luck for your upcoming future and examination. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe.